Hey guys, it's Jim with the Airzoom. Let's check out this Ford Trimotor. Produced by Ford between 1925 and 1933, this aircraft had a tremendous impact upon commercial aviation. It was used by over 100 airlines, and it was used so much because it was safe and reliable. It could carry about 11 passengers and had a big 74-foot wingspan and could travel at a blistering 132 miles per hour. For the era, the Trimotor was reliable and safe, and that was partly due to the preventive maintenance involved in maintaining this aircraft. It was one of the first aircraft that had an active preventive maintenance schedule. The three engines of the Trimotor were for three important reasons. Firstly, safety. The airplane could fly with only two engines and could maintain flight with only one. Secondly, for the appearance of safety. For somebody who didn't know about aircraft, three engines sure looked better than two and definitely looked better than one. And finally, power. The three engines meant that the aircraft was able to fly faster and higher. As you can see, it is made out of this corrugated aluminum alloy skin, and even the control surfaces are made out of the skin rather than the fabric, which is pretty rare for the era. Riding in the thing, well, it was hot, it was cold, it was noisy, but most importantly, it was safe and reliable, which was a big deal at the time. One of my favorite aspects of the Trimotor are these. These are the externally mounted control wires, and you can see them running from the cockpit up there all the way back to the tail. How cool is that?